How to fix WhatsApp OTP not received. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So if you are constantly sending the OTP for WhatsApp login but you are not receiving it, here's how you can fix it. First, tap and hold on your messages application, then go to its app info. Now go to permission and then make sure SMS is enabled and it is allowed for the messages application. Next, go back. Locate your WhatsApp application and then tap and hold on it. Tap on app info. Go to its storage section and then tap on clear cache. If the problem still does not fix, tap on force stop and then after some time open it, and that should fix your problem. If it does not, go to your Play Store and then search for WhatsApp. Also make sure you have stable internet connection. If there is an update button, simply tap on the update button and get the latest version. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.